Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shruti. In this video, I will show you how to record our test using test runner in Playwright. To do this, I will use code generator, also called as Codegen. So here, when I say recording, I mean capturing manual steps we perform on a website, like navigating, clicking, and typing. And what Playwright do is it automatically generate script for each step we perform. To do this, let us go to terminal and type npx npx playwright space codegen. We need to type codegen to record our steps or script. Npx playwright codegen and press enter. Remember the command codegen to generate the script. It launched Playwright Inspector. As we can see here, it launched Playwright Inspector. So let us launch the application. I will go to Amazon. I'll type amazon.in. And here I will type laptop and clicked on search. Let us go to Playwright Inspector. As we can see, it created the entire script for us. And make sure you have selected test runner under target drop down. It creates a script in Playwright TypeScript for us. Okay, let us just copy this. Here we have option to copy and go to VS Code and just create a file, new file. I will say demo1 dot spec dot ts. Just paste the file, save it. Okay, let us run that and we will close this. Okay, now how to execute that? Npx playwright. To test, we have to use the word test, and which one we want to test? Demo1 dot spec dot ts. Press enter. It will execute in all three browsers because we have not mentioned on which browser it should execute. By default in headless mode. So three tests are passed. Okay, we can directly launch the application along with Codegen. So npx playwright Codegen and mention the website you want to launch. I will say amazon.in. We can also inspect the elements using Playwright Inspector. I have showed you this in my previous video. To inspect the elements, this is the locator. Sorry, this is the button. Pick locator. Select this and click on any element you want to inspect. See, it created locator for us. Okay. If you don't want to manually copy and paste the generated code, we can directly save the recorded steps to a specific file using output option. So how to do that? Let us take the same command, that is npx playwright codegen and URL, that is Amazon URL. Let us copy this and we need to use the option that is hyphen output is equal to path. We want under tests folder, so tests slash, I want file name to be demo2 dot spec dot ts and press enter. So once the steps are completed, it will save the file name. So it launched. So I will just say um laptop here, type laptop and click on this search button and click on this first link. I'm just performing some actions. Okay, now let us go back to Playwright Inspector. It generated the script for us. Okay, now let me stop recording. I'll close this. So as we can see, it created a file for us, demo2.spec.ts. So using the option that is hyphen output and followed by the path. Okay, we have another option here that is viewport size. So using this option, we can manually set the size of the browser window. So I'll show you how. Let me take the same command. I'll remove this output option viewport size is equal to, here within a double quote we need to mention the size, that is I will give 800. Hey, what did I do? Hyphen viewport size. Okay, numlock was off. Is equal to, within double quote, mention the size of the screen or browser. I will give 800 comma 600. So 800 is the pixel, wide pixel, and 600 is high. Let me execute this. So this is useful when you want to see how your application behaves on specific screens or size. See, the screen got reduced 800 and 600. And you can record your steps. Like, it is just to see how your application behaves if your screen size is less. I will type book and I will select bookshelf and I will perform some random actions. And I will just stop the recording. I will copy these steps and stop recording. Okay, I will just go to VS Code and paste it somewhere. I will just paste it here. Okay, so here this test recorded the steps in the resolution 800 comma 600. If you notice here, we have this line twice. It recorded the same line twice. And to enter any value into the search box, we don't have to click and enter the value. Okay, we can directly call this function, that is fill and enter the value. So I will remove these two lines. And whenever it generated a script for us, it is always good to check once because it might add unnecessary lines and all. Okay, we have another option in Codegen, that is hyphen device. Using this option, we can see how our application looks and works on different devices such as iPhone or Pixel. So how to use that? Let us take the same command. So I will remove viewport and add the option that is hyphen device is equal to, within double quote, mention the device name like iPhone 12 and press enter. Hyphen device. Okay, it's giving some suggestions. Let us see what it is. Oh, oh. Device description not found. iPhone 12 available devices are Okay. iPhone 12 is not there. It is there, iPhone 12. I think I made some spelling mistake. Let me copy it and execute the same command. Paste, press enter. Okay. I think there was some spelling mistake. Okay. See, this is how Amazon looks in iPhone 12. Okay. So this helps us to test the mobile version of our application without actually using the physical device. And this is also called as emulation. Just remember, this process is called emulation. So how to test the mobile version of your application using the command, using the option that is hyphen device, and here within double quote mention the device you want to test. So as we can see here, if you scroll up, these are all the devices we can test: iPhone and Pixel. So we are at the end of our video. What did we learn today? We learned that using code generator, that is Codegen, we can generate a code for our manual steps. We can perform manual steps. This Codegen or Playwright Inspector create a script for our steps. So how to do that? Just after the Playwright, mention this command name: npx playwright codegen. This command open Playwright Inspector for us. In that, there is record option and pick locator. Mainly using record option, we can record our scripts. Like we can perform manual steps, it will generate script for us. And if you want to inspect any element, sorry, any element, we can just click on the pick locator and click on the element you want to inspect. And there is another option, that is target. In the target drop down, you can select the specific language you want to generate the script for. And in this option, you can directly launch the browser using this option. Like after the code gen, you can mention the URL of your application. And we have seen some options, that is hyphen output. This is to save the file directly to the VS Code. So we don't have to copy and paste the file. And iPhone viewport size, this is to open the application at the mentioned dimension. So here within the double quote you can mention any size. And iPhone device is to test the device, test the test your application in mobile device. So here you can give any mobile device name. So if you like this video so far, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Please do practice.